Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my life, my strength, my soul. His cornerstone, His holy crown. From to the mercy's throne, unstored. With love, what will of peace. When fears are still in striving seas, my comforter, my all in all. Here in the love of Christ I stand. In Christ alone, open place, fullness of God is helpless faith, His gift of love and righteousness, spurned by the ones He came to save. Till on the cross as Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied. For every sin He must pay. Here in the deed of Christ I live. On the ground my body lay, light of the world by darkness slain. Remorse in glorious day, up from the grave He rose again. And as He stands in victory, sin curses lost its grip on me. For I am His and He is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. Held in life, fear in death. This is the power of Christ in me. From lifeless Christ to final breath, Jesus command my destiny. No power of hell, no scheme of man can ever block me from His hand. He returns and calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand. No scheme of man can ever block me from His hand. Till He returns and calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand. And return and calls me home. Here in the power of Christ I stand.